Alright there guys, you're welcome to my channel Minimalistic Logo 2.0, and this is going to be our first tutorial ever on this channel. This channel is all about making of simple simple, stunning, and creative logos. Like if you want to learn how to make sweet logos, amazing designs, and every other thing, this is the channel you want to be on. Minimalistic Logo. Before we proceed on to this tutorial, please, just in case you're watching this channel for the first time, please kindly hit that subscribe button. You turn on that bell notification icon. It's near that same subscribe button, so that anytime that we upload a brand new video, you will be the first person to see it. So let me not waste much of your time, guys. Today we are going to be designing um the mountain the mountain minimalistic logo. Let's change the width here to 1400. Let's do the same for the heights, 1400. You leave your resolution at 5000 so that you get a great exporting design. So we can go ahead now and click on the create button. So here we are, guys, in our own project panel. You can leave your project panel the way it is, but I'm using the workspace essential, which is the default for the Photoshop CC software. So the first thing we are going to be doing, guys, is I want us to go to our ellipse tool, right click on it, make sure you're on the ellipse tool. Now the fill, I want us to turn this fill to 0. Now for the stroke, um let's put it at black. Now for the pixel, I want us to put it somewhere around 35. Now hit the enter. Now let's go ahead and draw our first circle. All right, so this is what we have on our first circle. I want us to still go ahead and put this around 40. Hit the enter button. As you can see, the edges, the sides have increased in the design. So the next thing we are going to be doing for this logo is I want us to go and grab our rectangle tool. So just go back to the ellipse tool, right click on it, and hit the rectangle tool. Now for that, we are going to, I want us to create a new layer, and um let's name this rec. That's for your rectangle. This is what we are going to be using for the shapes. Okay, so for here, I want us to turn it back to 0. Now for the fill, I want us to put it black and back to black. Okay, so we are going to be drawing three rectangles, which is one. Okay, another one. I want us to draw another one, make this one a bit taller. All right, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, now for the first rec, hit the V on your keyboard. I want us to rearrange it. Let's put it somewhere close to here. Now press Ctrl J on your keyboard. It's going to help you duplicate it, so just put it here. Okay, now let's shift it somewhere here. All right, let's go back to the rec. Let's just shift it somewhere here. All right, so we have this. Let's still make it closer. Okay, rec copy, make it closer. Okay, I think somewhere here is okay. So what we are going to be doing now is we are going to the first place, which is this rec 1, then come to the last place holding shift, right click on it, and click on merge shapes. All right, so what the merge shape does is it helps you put everything in a single layer, so you can move and tilt it the way you want. So on our keyboard, we are going to be pressing Ctrl T. All right, now I want us to tilt this like this. Okay, okay. I want us to tilt it like this. All right, guys. There's something I wish I shouldn't have done. I want us to go back to the layers to where we merge them. There is something I noticed. Okay, so sorry about that. Let's make it closer, just one step difference. Now for the second one, I want us to press Ctrl T. Let's see if we'll increase the height. Okay, I want us to increase. Let's just delete that. Go back to your rectangle. I want us to increase the height. So I think somewhere here is okay. All right. Now instead of us merging it together, because definitely, like I just did, we're going to be like editing it one by one in case we don't like the results. Let's just put it in a group by holding Ctrl G, then Ctrl T to turn it. Let's turn it like this. Okay. All right. So let's make this one closer. Let's make it closer. Just one step difference. Just one step difference. Okay, guys. So this is what we have. Now, I want us to right click on it and hit the convert to smart objects. Okay. Now on your keyboard, I want you to come somewhere here and hold the Alt button. You'll see something like an arrow. It is called clipping marks. So once you get that thing like an arrow here, just click enter button. Sorry about that. Let's first of all put in our layer mask. Hit the B on your keyboard. Make sure the opacity is 100. Right click on it. Make sure the hardness is 100. I want us to clean this part. Okay, I want us to clean that part. Now let's create a new layer and let's name this brush black. Okay, now change the foreground color to black. All right, now I want us to carefully paint the down black. Okay, I want us to paint the down black. All right, so come to this area also, fill it in. Okay, so let's come back to this side and let's make here. Okay, let's delete this brush. We're going to be coming back to that sooner on. Okay, let's delete this. Now change the foreground color to white if you want to reveal back some areas that you've deleted. Okay, so now we can go ahead to put in our new layer. Just carefully paint it. Okay, carefully paint it. Can just go ahead and add a new shape. Let's go ahead and reduce this. Okay. Alright, so there we have it, guys. Um let's just go in and create our minimalistic minimalistic shadow. Okay, I want us to change this foreground color to something orangey. Okay, all right, so you can note down this value fd9d20, hit the OK. Now on our minimalistic shadow, we are going to sample this, then make it a bit deep. Okay, now on your keyboard, just hit in the P, make sure it's on shape. Okay, now we're going to carefully draw our shadow here, 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 here. Make sure you don't have it inside. Okay, all right, so here we have our minimalistic shadow. I want us to adjust. Okay, I want us to adjust the shadow. Let's check it out. Still needs a little bit of adjusting. Okay, all right. So once you're satisfied with your results, just go ahead. Okay, I still think I can tweak this. Okay, I still want to tweak this. All right, I always like my work to be perfect. Sorry. Alright, so let's go ahead and check it out. Alrighty, so I think we're done now. So the next thing we just have to do is write in our text by hitting the T on our button, and we can go ahead and change this to black. And here we are going to write our mountain mountain minimalistic, sorry, minimal logo. Alright, so that's basically it for this logo. I want us to reduce the fonts. Okay, let's try somewhere around 0.5. Sorry, let's try 0.8 or 0.6. Okay, now there you have it. This is our minimalistic logo. Guys, just in case you enjoyed this tutorial and you like us to do more simple and easy logos and design that you can just quickly do and show some of your impressive to some of your clients, or just add something quick to your portfolio, please kindly make sure you like and share our videos. You turn on that bell notification so that anytime that we upload a brand new video, you will be the first person to see it. Thanks and God bless you guys. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.